Hello and welcome to Joe Knows the Cryptos. This is Crypto Joe, and we are talking about one project today. We're going to review the project Green Figures. This was a project I found on a Discord site. It looked interesting. I looked into it. I liked it. There's some things I like about it, and there's some things I don't. I'm going to share all those with you. I'm not going to recommend. I don't give financial advice. This is a risky degen play. Just like all the other ones we talk about here. So don't get into this because I do it. I'm just going to show you what I'm doing and tell you my thought process behind the review. And let's go. All right. When reviewing a project, the first thing I do is I go through all the information I have out there. So first of all, this is the website. It's called Green Figures. It is greenfigures.finance. I have a referral code down below. Use it, don't use it, whatever. I'd appreciate it. But if you don't, you're not going to upset me. Okay. I'm doing this because I enjoy showing you what I do. All right. So on this, this is the web page. Okay. So you can see it has a couple items here we'll be talking about later. The first thing we'll do is just rip through the white paper. All right. Got to look through the white paper. The first thing they talk about is their audit. So the audit was done by the stamp and found no vulnerabilities. The smart contract has been made with the purpose of raising funds to be traded and therefore relies entirely on the skills of the traders that are outside the scope of the audit. Investors are advised to do their own research, yada, yada, yada. So this is the contract, minimum investments 30 BUSD. This is on the Binance Smart Chain. They are, you have to put BUSD in there, and this is a ROI type project. So one thing I did notice, so there's 0 fees on deposits, 0 fees on withdrawals. The team takes the profits are taken 80% by the investors who put money into this project, and the team keeps the 20%. That's how they make money. Now, one of the project's issues that I have is that the stamp is also involved in the project. So that makes it a little bit, I don't know if it's a biased or non-partial review or audit, but that's a risk. This is a risky, any way you look at it. Could they rug? Sure. The traders have full ability to get to the funds. So that is, it's a relatively straightforward contract. So the audit, you can take it as you will. There's also a KYC that's been done, and Anani Docs KYC certificate issued to Green Figures. So they have been KYC'd. This is valid for 12 consecutive months starting on May 27th. We go along here. That's just told you to put your crypto to work. Now, this is the interesting part. Well, it's not that interesting. It's just a nice little flow chart. So you take your money, you put it in in Green Figures. They have traders that trade 100% TVL every Sunday. Goes to the Forex traders. The traders trade from Monday to Friday when the Forex market, that's when they work, and that's when they trade in those markets. All profits generated from Monday to Friday are sent on Saturday. So I got mine yesterday. I'm filming this on Sunday. I'll probably post it on a Monday. But I got my first weeks. I've been in it for about a week. So I'll share that with you in a little bit. So 80% of those returns goes to the investors, the people that put their money in, while 20% goes to the team. I think that's a fair breakdown. Okay. Basically what they do is they manage a Forex portfolio. They trade that portfolio, weekly payouts, no initial capital lock. You can withdraw your funds at any time. You have to request to withdraw them. I know some other YouTubers had a problem with that, but your money's in the trade. Your money is being traded. And we'll actually see that in a little bit with there's a really cool feature that I'm going to share with you in a few minutes here. Transparent performance. Track trades on my FX book. Well, that's what I was going to show you, but I'm actually going to take you into my FX book so you can see all the trades they've made. Low risk trading, no deposits or withdrawal fees, profit sharing model, referral program. There is a referral. It's a 2% referral program. Audit verified, community support. They have the Telegrams and the Discords. I don't know if they have Discord, but I know they have a Telegram. All right, so not a whole lot to it. It's a pretty simple project. You put your money in, and traders will trade your money and pay you every Saturday. And then the money goes in Sunday for the traders to trade Monday through Friday. Pretty simple. They take 20%. I think that's pretty fair. It says, in the likely event the bot makes a loss for the whole week, no rewards will be distributed, and we will take 25% of future week's earnings to repair the capital. Initial capital is not immediately withdrawable because you have to request it so they can sell positions to give you your money back. It makes sense. People that don't understand how bots and trading works, I can see how they might be a little bit confused there. What is green figures? So I don't need to go through the whole thing. You put in BUSD, you get paid in BUSD. It's pretty simple. Is weekly profit guaranteed? No, it's not guaranteed. It's trading, and this is the first project I've seen with the actual live trades that I've been in. Everyone always promised transparency, like what's it, whether it be PGV or AV8, they promise transparency. I still haven't seen it yet. I know AV8's trying to work on something, but just show us an Excel spreadsheet, something, okay? But this one, you can actually see those in live time. I will show you that in a minute. There's not a lot of fees, right? The team is paid 18% of the profit, and then 2% of that profit goes to the referrals. So it doesn't rely on new money, but new money is helpful to get more trades. What is minimum investment? $30, yada, yada, yada. So pretty simple stuff. Put in BUSD, get paid in BUSD every Saturday if they make a profit. If they don't make a profit, then you're not going to get paid. That's how trading, real trading works. And then one of the YouTubers I saw out there said they don't even guarantee a return. No, nor should anyone guarantee a return unless it's a Ponzi. All right. Okay, so this has to do with the audit by the stamp. Green Figures is their most recent one. I'm not going to take you through it. They already summarized it on that page in there. There we go. You can look at it all you like. Let's go to the dashboard on the actual D app. So this is it. I think this is, yeah. Okay, this is recent. All right, let me just make sure. Yep, I'm hooked in there. So I put a very tiny amount in because I just didn't have a lot of BUSD. I'm probably going to put more in this week. So right here is the total amount invested, 121,194, 361 investors. Total profit of $5,932. Wallet balance. Okay, so this is the money I've taken out. In the first week, my $300 made $13.34. It looked like it was a decent trading week. So that's almost, what is that, 5%? 13.34 divided by 299. Yeah, 4.46% return in that first week. That's not too bad, right? That's pretty good. I would be stoked. That's what you would get in a savings account for an entire year if you had a decent return in your savings account. So can this go on forever? I don't know. I have no idea. The one thing that I do think is cool, though, is right here, is you hit this live trades button, and it takes you to myfxbook.com. And I've never seen this before because I'm not a Forex trader, nor have I a lot of experience with Forex trading, but this seems to be legit. So you'll see here, it will actually show you all of their trades, buys and sells in real time. Here's one that happened at, must be 4 a.m. This must be in Europe because this is a couple hours ahead of me. It looks like it's about 6 hours ahead of me because I'm recording this at 9 p.m. on a Sunday night. So this is their trades, and you can see this is what's drawn down the account. I'm sure someone will come on here and tell me how dumb I am, and this is not what that is, but it looks like that's what this is. This is a summary. So they've won these trades and lost some. So they do have losing trades and they have winning trades. So as long as you're winning more than you're losing, you're going to make money. Today, not a lot. Okay, because I don't think they trade on weekends. I could be wrong on that. But their day is starting pretty soon here, probably. 912 total trades. They have them all on here. You can look at these things. But this, in my opinion, is what separates it from other trading bot schemes or scams or whatever. Maybe it's all made up. Maybe all these numbers are made up. It says here, and this could be made up, but it says broker FBS leverage 1 to 200 type real account started May 22nd. It was added on May 18th. So a lot of information here. And if you are a very technical trader, and I would come and look at this. But this is what made me want to get into green figures. Now, I would really love to hear in the comments below why this is a trap or a rug. Maybe it is. Maybe these are fake trades. So don't take my word for it. I'm not giving you advice. I'm just showing you what I'm looking at. And this right here is what made me want to get into this this project. So I don't know much about the stamp, how good that audit or the doxing KYC is. I really don't. I don't like that the stamp is involved in the project and they did their own audit. Unless I read that wrong, they are involved in this project. Now, maybe they said we can do it better. We see all these bad projects, we can do it better, and they came up with this. And I think it's simple. It's not complex. And if it works, it works. And now, am I going to put all my money in here? No, I'm done with that. Am I going to compound? Probably not. I'm going to get my initial investment out. Then maybe I'll compound some. But that's just how I'm operating. Let me know down below what you thought of this project, or if you're going to get in it or not. If you're already in it, what do you think about it? I'm in 1 week, about a 5%, 4.46% return. I thought that was pretty good. Don't know what this week holds. With the Fed meeting, that they probably going to draw back on some trades, because that's always an unknown, an X factor. It could swing either way, and that much volatility could be bad for trading. But again, don't know. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this short video. Let me know your thoughts. Are you going to get into green figures? What are you in that you think I should take a look at? Because I'd like to look at some more projects right now. I'm going to do another review on another project I went in recently that's been around for a while. But right now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.